Here's how to make time your friend in business. This is actually a really simple principle, but a lot of people don't actually deploy it. Someone actually mentioned this to me as to what we do in terms of producing content, and it really just hit me. It's like, wow, this is a really powerful principle. So if you focus on things that stop the moment you stop, so let's take paid ads versus email marketing. Let's just do a quick comparison of those. Now, with paid ads, if you turn the paid ads off, you stop getting leads. Whereas with email marketing, you've still got your email database there, whether you have paid ads running or not. It really doesn't matter because you can continually email your entire database. You've got full control of it. Even if the ads get banned or blocked or, just turned off for a period of time, then it almost doesn't matter because you have your own content engine that is connecting with your client, your prospects and clients. It's giving you that knowability, likability, trustability, building your relationship with your prospects. But the thing is, most people never get to that point of investing in some longer term strategies like the content, because all they're thinking about is, what can I get now? I need to get a direct investment on my marketing right this instant. Whereas if you just shift that out to 90, 120 days, even a year or more, you're going to start thinking a bit differently about how can I go deeper? How can I access a larger portion of the market? How can I get a deeper relationship than my competitors have with my prospects? And you can only do that through regular content. And it does have to be high quality content. You can't just put anything out and hope for the best, because some content can actually damage your reputation and your brand and that kind of thing. So we like that. That's just a given. That's table stakes. That's you to turn up at the races, you have to be a producer of high quality content. And obviously, if you can't do that, there are companies like us who can take that on. But essentially, by making time your friend, you're able to produce something that gets better over time. So a good quality piece of content, a good quality video, a good quality email sequence, a good quality, any of these things, social posts, over time, they get better and better. As people look at you on social, they're seeing a history. Hey, you've been around for a while. Hey, you've been putting out some good quality stuff for a while. Can you get people to binge watch your YouTube channel? Because that definitely elevates them from having just met to, hey, I really like these guys. They're putting out some great stuff, and it's really helping me in my business. So if you want to get that compounding effect, then it's definitely a case of making time your friend rather than your enemy. So if you only do momentary marketing, then that's all you're going to get. You're going to get marketing that's good in the moment. It's expensive. You're not capturing, there's 97% of people who are not ready to go right away. There's 3% of people who are ready to go right away. Essentially, if you want to access your entire market, you need to have a content program. And so, to make that easy, please let us know, and please like, follow, and subscribe to help get the content out.